Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Shreya. So with the winter seasons kicking in, I thought why not do a dewy, glowy, fall appropriate makeup look. Today's makeup look will be concentrated towards the hydrating, dewy and glowy side. So yeah, if you want to know how I do a fall appropriate makeup look, then please keep on watching. If I talk about Indians, all our skin types are unique and different from each other, and one thing that forms as our need regardless of the skin type that we are is hydration. Our skin craves and needs hydration to glow from within and give that healthy dewy look. And I'm always in search for good skincare products. You all clearly know that. And in my search for that, I came across this newly launched brand called Aqualogica. This is a water-based hydration brand with light gel textures that specifically is formulated for Indian skin and climate. I have been trying their products out for a while now, and they comprise of a serum, a face wash, a gel moisturizer and a sleeping mask. They claim to be clinically proven to have increased the skin hydration level by 80% within 30 minutes. These are made with unique water lock technology that helps to lock in that moisture into our skin. The formulation is such that it contains a blend of fruits and actives. To be precise, it contains power of coconut and hyaluronic acid, which also forms as the hero ingredient of these products. These are light water-based formulations, and lastly contains the science of aquaporins, which helps to push moisture from the inner layer of the skin to the outer layer, giving you a hydrated, dewy and plump skin. I'll start off by using the Aqualogica Hydrate Plus Face Wash. I'll apply a small amount onto my wet face and gently massage it in circular motion. This face wash deeply cleanses the dirt and oil without drying and instead provides a boost of hydration. I like to use this face wash twice a day, and gently this cleanses my face effortlessly, so I absolutely am in love with it. Moving on to the next step, which is using the Aqualogica Hydrate Plus Face Serum. I take 3 to 4 drops and I'll gently just massage it onto my face and neck. How I like to use this is I use this on my already damp face. This ensures extra boost of hydration. The serum increases the hydration level drastically and deeply hydrates and nourishes, ultimately leaving the skin dewy and plump. Now, if you're wondering, yes, the formulation is extremely lightweight and non-sticky. I absolutely love the ultimate result. When you apply the serum, you'll instantly see how your face feels so plumped up and hydrated. Next, I'll use their Hydrate Plus Gel Moisturizer, which I'll apply all over my face and neck. The consistency is so lightweight and has an oil-free gel-based formula. This moisturizer also deeply hydrates and moisturizes the skin, making it soft, supple and plump. Now, if you're wondering, these products do contain a little bit of fragrance, nothing that is overpowering or something that will irritate your skin, because my skin type is also sensitive and this did not break me out or this did not make my skin irritated. Aqualogica is a clean, cruelty-free, PETA approved vegan brand, and they also commit to provide access to clean drinking water to those in need with every purchase you make on their website, which is again a great initiative by them. Here's to my honest review about all the products that I've tried from this brand. Honestly speaking, I have tried each and every product and there was not a single one that made me feel a little iffy, or basically I wanted to take a pass on. I loved each and every product and their performance and the end result that it gave. And the best part is that this range has products for every skin type. We often tend to mix up oily skin type with hydrating because we feel if we are oily, we do not need hydration. Our skin already produces oil, but no, if your skin is oily, you can be dehydrated as well. So honestly speaking, this range is for everyone, and I would highly recommend you to try at least one product from their range. These are beautiful and they surely deserve a try. And yeah, if you ask me, my favorite out of the entire range, it has to be their face serum and their gel moisturizer. It's beautiful. These products are available on aqualogica.in and Nykaa. My skincare is all done. I'm all set for makeup. I'll start off by using a primer, which is not my usual self. I don't use a primer, but this one deserves it. This is by Maybelline. It's their Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Primer, and I've already included it in my top 10 under rupees 500. This is such a beautiful product. So with the winters and everything, I'll concentrate more towards the dewy and glowy side, hence this primer. I'll take a good amount and I'll pat it all over my skin. You can see how instantly it made my skin feel a lot more dewy. Next, I'll go ahead and use my lip balm. You can use any lip balm of your choice. My skin is all prepped. For my base, I'll mix up a few foundations and concealer to make my own concoction. I always do that, but my base has to be from K Beauty. It's my only trusted foundation that I think I'm never going to stop using this. So I'll take this in a little bit darker shade and I'll mix it with my lighter concealer to, just combat that. This is in the shade 160p Tan. Again, very dark for me, but end result will be great. This is how much I'll take of this. Next, I'll use this L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This is again in the shade 314 Beige, and this is very light for me, so both these will ultimately give me the desired shade. In this, I'll also mix my NYX Born to Glow Illuminator for more dewy and glowy look. Mix it all in. This will basically warm the product up and it will be all nicely blended. So yeah, I'll apply it in dotted motions all over my face. I will use my trusted Swiss Beauty concealer. You can go ahead and powder your T-zone, but I don't like to do that. I leave it right here. I'll just use this lip tint as my blush because I do not want powder product stay. I want my base to be entirely, dewy and glowy. So I'll just dot it. I'll use again my trusted Color Bar eyebrow mascara. I absolutely am a big fan of this. I always use this. This just grooms the brow so naturally, like it just doesn't feel as if I've applied something. So that is why I always use this. This just adds a hint of color, and again we are going all dewy and glowy. So yeah, use this palette to do my eyes. This is by Cuffs and Lashes. It's their That's So Me 32 color pressed eyeshadow palette, and this is how the colors look like. Again, a beautiful palette. So basically I will be concentrating more towards mascara and doing my outer eye and filling a little bit of, you know, that goldeny sort of a shade in the inner part, and I'll go for a bold lip. So let's just do that. For my eyes, again, I'll use my fingers because that's how I roll on a regular basis. I'll use this brown shade. I'll use this golden shade. It has a very duochromatic feel to it, and I'll just fill it in slightly. That's how I leave the eye very fresh looking. And I'll take this House of Makeup Kajal and I'll only fill it towards the outer portion. Like I'll only fill my outer waterline and upper waterline. Do you see how awake my eyes already look? I'll just go ahead and apply a thin coat of mascara. I'll use this Nykaa Curl Power Mascara, and I'll again concentrate the same thing towards the outer portion, both upper and lower lashes. I'll let it dry a bit and then I'll go in with a second coat. Next, I'll go in with this Cuffs and Lashes highlighter, and this is how it looks like, very pigmented. I'll just put it on the tip of my nose and here, like basically the usual places. Mascara is dried up a little bit. I'll go in with my second coat. The only thing left is my lips, and for that I will be going for a darker shade because fall makeup is all about that. So I am a bit confused as to which shade I should use. I am confused between this good dark brown shade by NYX. It's their Push Up Lingerie Lip Crayon, and this Lakme Precision Lip Paint, which is again a very nice mauvey nude. So I think I'll do a mix of both, and then I'll go in with a little bit ombre effect. For that I'll use a lighter shade in the inner part of my lips to give that fuller effect. Onto my inner part, I'll apply this Lakme Absolute Lip Crayon. It's their Plush Lip Crayon in the shade Roasted Almond, and I'll just apply it on the inner part. With that, we come to an end to this dewy, glowy, fall appropriate makeup tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful and relatable. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment down below what video you want me to do next, and I will surely try to do it. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care.